Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash using a guitar controller. This exciting challenge involves mapping your guitar's buttons and strum bar to the game's jump and action inputs. We'll cover the essential steps to transform your musical instrument into a gaming device, allowing for a truly unique and engaging experience. Get ready to combine your rhythm game skills with platforming precision, opening up a whole new way to conquer those challenging levels. To begin, you'll need a compatible guitar controller, ideally one designed for rhythm games such as Guitar Hero or Rock Band. Ensure your guitar can connect to your computer, often via a USB adapter or a dedicated PC version. Some players also find a USB foot pedal useful for an additional input, perhaps for a specific jump or action. This setup forms the physical bridge between your musical instrument and the digital world of Geometry Dash. Next, you'll need input remapping software like Joy to Key or Xpatter. This program allows you to translate your guitar controller's button presses and strum actions into keyboard commands. For instance, you might map the green fret button to the spacebar for jumping and the strum bar for another action. Take your time to configure these settings precisely, ensuring every input is recognized and responds exactly as you intend for optimal control. Mastering Geometry Dash on guitar requires dedicated practice. Begin with simpler levels to familiarize yourself with the new control scheme and build muscle memory. Gradually increase the difficulty as your precision improves. You might also explore advanced techniques, such as using the whammy bar for subtle movements or mapping multiple actions to different fret buttons. With persistence, you'll be navigating spikes and flying through rings with your guitar in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.